about what? Almost 5:30 night in the afternoon. Mountain Township, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. February 10th, it's the second blizzard we had in about, what, 5 days? Accumulation is retarded. Walking the streets, I mean, man, right there in that pole, that's about up about 5 feet on that pole. I mean, obviously that's what's shoveled up on the side and everything. And we got the car out. My car is currently in the shop getting the transmission fixed, so I do not have to worry about shoveling the bitch. Clouds are relentless here. Cloudy the heck is. Dang, the Civic almost buried. View car here was totally buried. Why would you throw the snow back out in the street? Oh. I had to walk 3 blocks to get to my buddy's house. Hasn't been too bad so far. It's what, about 23 degrees outside. This ain't wind gusts up to almost like 40 miles per hour in some spots. Shit, crazy, dog, crazy. I didn't even bother going into work today. I don't think a lot of people did. People don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Quit my job soon. Oh, there's some wind blowing now. Woo! It is blowing. People still in the road and shit yet, too. Crazy. Instead of making snow angels, let's make some snow devils. Another thing is I hope I got a pile so I don't have to step over snow to get into Frank's house, man, because I'm a lazy bitch. Wow, this road's actually a lot better than what it was Saturday. Oh man. Yeah, see? Oh man. Getting up here is a bitch. Finally we are here.